You probably have a gap in the back of your mouth right now, a molar you had pulled years ago. It doesn't hurt, and you can still chew your food without any issues. Because that gap is hidden when you smile and causes no immediate pain, it is easy to assume the situation is resolved. The tooth is gone, the gums have healed, and your mouth feels stable. This chart shows the results of a recent clinical survey, and it highlights a widespread misconception. Nearly 40% of adults are unaware of the invisible, long-term anatomical damage happening beneath the surface of a missing tooth. The reality is, the very afternoon that tooth was extracted, a slow, invisible, and irreversible biological chain reaction began. The human mouth operates as a highly interdependent architectural system. When you remove even one supporting pillar, the entire structure is forced to absorb daily pressure and physical loads it wasn't designed to survive. The first mechanical failure is structural. Your teeth rely on each other to stand upright. Without a neighboring tooth to lean against, the teeth on either side of the gap begin drifting and tilting into the empty space. This drift happens at an incredibly slow pace, fractions of a millimeter over several years. Because the shift is so gradual, your brain easily adapts to the micro changes, meaning you never notice the movement. But as the teeth shift above, a second, completely unseen failure is happening below the gum line. Healthy jawbone density relies on the constant, daily physical pressure that travels down through the root of a tooth every time you bite. When the tooth is gone, that downward pressure stops. Without that mechanical stimulation, the body assumes the bone in that specific spot is useless, and it actively begins to recycle the tissue. This causes the jawbone to physically shrink and atrophy. Now you have teeth leaning out of alignment, resting over a shrinking foundation. This creates a third failure, a noticeable shift in your bite. The remaining teeth suddenly strike each other at odd, unintended angles during every meal. These unnatural angles generate intense friction. Over time, that grinds away your enamel unevenly and places enormous stress on the hinge of your jaw, often triggering chronic pain and temporomandibular joint, or TMJ, disorders. And the damage doesn't stay confined to the empty gap. This physical collapse creates a direct threat to the perfectly healthy, untouched teeth sitting right next to it. As those neighboring teeth tilt, they create tight, microscopic crevices at the gum line. These hidden wedges become ideal environments for harmful bacteria to thrive, safely protected from the bristles of your toothbrush. Because you physically cannot clean these new angled pockets, a healthy tooth will eventually succumb to decay, rotting solely because its neighbor was removed years prior. This chart looks at the reasons people have teeth pulled, and it shows that tooth decay is the primary culprit. This means that leaving a gap creates a self-perpetuating cycle. One missing tooth accelerates the decay that leads to the next extraction. Choosing not to replace a missing back tooth guarantees the eventual failure of the healthy teeth sitting right beside it. So, if you've had a missing tooth for a decade, is it already too late to fix it? Usually no. This degradation spans decades. Eventually, the structural instability pulls your remaining teeth into that same destructive cycle of loss. Dentists use a few tools to intervene. The first tier includes dental bridges and partial dentures. These act as mechanical placeholders, filling the gap to physically halt adjacent teeth from drifting further. Then there is the biological solution, dental implants. They are the only option that replaces the hidden root structure beneath the gum line. Placing the implant restores the downward chewing pressure the jawbone requires, permanently stopping the natural tissue recycling process. An unseen gap in the back of your mouth will eventually destroy your visible, healthy teeth. But this chain reaction is entirely stoppable, provided you act before the foundation fully collapses. If someone you know has been missing a back tooth for years and never thought twice about replacing it, share this with them.
Keep your smile bright. Give this video a thumbs up. Share the health tips with your friends. And let us know what you think in the comments. Live healthy.